guys, so this is my section. I'm going to be reviewing woodworking tools, doing woodworking projects, and mainly just tools. So today I will be reviewing a Ryobi 20-inch cordless lawnmower, self-propelled. So let's open it. Very big box. Charger, battery, I'm guessing, that's heavy, the bag, and this is going to be a pain to get out. Wow. Okay, don't know what that is. Let's take this out. There we go. And it's heavy. There you go. You got it. Alright, so I've read the operator's manual. Pretty simple. They give a full diagram in the front page. And included is the lawnmower itself, the mulch bag, the mulch plug when you're not using the mulch bag, the battery charger, and the battery itself. Now, here we have the lawnmower. So this is the handle up here. So in order to take that off, you have to kind of lift the handle a little bit, pull out the tabs, and voila! Here we go. So this is the speed control. You have the slide up here for power, the bail, and where the battery goes in. So the features for this lawnmower are very nice. Headlights. You got the start button right here. So you put the battery in, turn the battery on after it's charged, and push the start button while holding the bail. Push start button, and let's go! So I'm going to put the mulch bag on, of course. And I'm just going to put the bag on right now. Very easy to put on. You have these little hooks here. These lower ones. Stick them on. It's on. And then you have the adjustable handle too. Pull that up. And if you're really tall, I'm not, you can go. Very nice, isn't it? Alright, so it's raining outside right now. It's going to probably be raining for the next 2 days here. So I can't mow the lawn right now, but I'll have another video of me doing a full review of the mowing of the lawn. So I just want to tell you guys, they have cable ties here holding this cord on. Don't cut those, because then it'll just be dangling here, and every time you put the mulch bag and everything, it'll just get tangled up. So now I'm going to take the battery and I'm going to charge it. See ya! Hey guys, so it's rained a whole day now. It didn't clear. Now it's cleared. So let's hope we have enough time to do at least one demo. So we've got the bail pushed down here. Push the button, and we're going. So it cuts really well, not perfectly gas power, and I have tried a gas power mower, but it still cuts pretty well. There's a single point height adjustment here, so you can do whatever you want. For really tall grass, you can do this, or you can do this, or you can do this. Doesn't really matter, whichever one you choose. Now the mower is heavy, so it is quite hard to do this, but you can set it perfectly to however you want. It doesn't really matter, your preference. So in this clear Ryobi compartment, you can open this up. Inside there is where the battery goes to power, and then there is a battery storage. There's no electronics in here. You can just slide it in, and it'll store the other one, if you have a second one. This is the start key. Without this in, nothing will start. So you have to have this in. This is also like a safety method, so even if you do happen to press that button, nothing will happen. Okay, so the blade distance away from it, from the casing here, is less than an inch. So if you're cutting some pretty thick, wet grass with weeds in it, it might get stuck. Ours did, because our lawn hasn't been mowed in a while, so our mower did get stuck. Okay, so for this mower, you have two options. You can use the mulch plug, which will allow nothing to come out of the back here, or you can use this mulch bag, which will collect all the grass, and then you can use it for your garden, or you can put it into your compost bin, and then it's great fertilizer. But the thing about this bag is when it is half full, it will, in the angle it is at, it will clog up the mower blade. So to install the mulch plug, it is pretty difficult. So you have to hold this up, and then you have to stick this in here, and then using a little bit of force, you have to push it back, and then it'll click right in this little hole down here, and there, it's in. So if anyone is trying to close their handle and it's not closing all the way, this is the problem. It took me a while to figure this out too. This has to be all the way down in the lowest setting, and then it'll close completely. I hope you liked that video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments below your opinion. And I'll see you next time for another review.